Saudi authorities started enforcing on Sunday a government decision barring unvaccinated people from entering public and private establishments and using public transport as part of the country's efforts to limit the spread of COVID-19. The decision makes vaccinations against the disease mandatory to enter any economic, commercial establishment or attending any cultural, entertainment or sporting event. The same rule applies to entering public or private education institutions. The Interior Ministry said that as of today, vaccination approved by the Health Ministry is mandatory across the kingdom to get access to these sites and events. The Commerce Ministry last week said that as of August 1st, access to shopping centers and markets will be restricted to people who have received 2 doses of the vaccines against COVID-19 or at least 1 dose, and those who have recovered from the disease according to the health status shown on the app Tawakkalna. Exempted from the mandatory condition are categories who are not obliged to get inoculated based on their health and age conditions. The immunization is a must also for entering cafes, restaurants and barber shops. Last December, Saudi Arabia, a country of 34.8 million people, initiated mass vaccinations against COVID-19. Over 26 million doses have since been administered in the country, according to the latest figures from the Health Ministry.